Hello children, good morning. I am Geeta Mehta and today I am going to teach you subject EVS. Where do you live children? I live in Ratya and you have to say the same, I live in, then say the name of your village or city. So I live in Ratya and there is any park nearby your house? So today my topic is our neighborhood. Places near by. Places nearby. So basically my topic is what are the places near your house. So here we will write new words. It means tough words for you that you are going to read for the first time. So tell me now, where do you go when you are sick? Where do you go when you are sick? So of course we will go to the doctor if we are sick. So doctor lives in the hospital. So my new word is hospital. Where do you go when you are sick? So answer is hospital. Say the spelling with me now. H-O-S, hos, P-I-P-T-A-L, tal, hospital, hospital. Where do we go when we are sick? It's hospital. So where do you go to play in the evening? You are going to play in the evening. So where we will go? Park. Where do you go to play in the evening? It's park. P-A-R-K, park. Don't say it park. It's park. Where do we go to play in the evening? Park. So next is, where do you go to buy things? Of course, you are not going to buy things. You have to go with your parents to buy fruits, vegetables, your clothes. So where do you go? You all know that place. So we call that place that is market. Say M-A-R, mar, K-E-T, kit. It's market. Don't say market, it's market. Where do you go to buy things? It's market. Where do you go to buy things? Market. Where do you go to take medicine? If we are sick, then we have to go to checkup, that we should go to doctor. But if we have to take medicine, doctor give us prescriptions and write the medicine on a slip. And we have to take medicines from a medical shop. Where do we go to take medicine? Medical shop. See, M-E-D-I, Medi, C-A-L, Kal, S-H-O-P, shop. Medical shop. So where do you go to take medicines? Medical shop. Next, sometime we get bored from the home food, then we have to go to eat out. So where do you go to eat out? Sometimes we say it hotel and sometimes we call it restaurant. So where do you go to eat out? Restaurant. Where do you go to eat out? It's restaurant. This is R-E-S, rest, T-A-U-R-A-N-T, restaurant. Where do you go to eat out? Restaurant. Your parents go to keep money so that our money will be safe. So where do your parents go to keep money? They go to the bank. B-A-N-K, bank. Where do your parents go to keep money? To the bank. Sometime we have any problem, we have any fight with others, or sometime thief rob in our house. So we have to go to the police station. Where do we go when we are in trouble? Police station. So spell it P-O-L-I-C-E, it's police. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Police station, not police. This is police station. Where do we go when we are in trouble? Police station. So these are the hard words for you. You have to read again and again these spellings so that you can learn these spellings. Thank you. Have a nice day.